job. Right over here. Now rub up here. And over here. Come on, you gotta scrub. I put it on there, you just gotta scrub. Alright. Alright. That got it? Now we use this to spray off all the soap. Right, see? Can you do this? Come do it.
I'm not doing myself.
Alright, wait until I get loose. Out of the way. Alright.
Henry, what are you doing?
I'm spraying all the soap off.
Spraying all the soap off?
Yeah.
Is it going to be extra
Spray a
clean?
little more in my bottle to rinse off the soap. Here, rinse this. Spray. Henry.
Spray harder.
Come on.
There you go.
Good. One more. Here, let me help you for a second. Watch this.
Henry, can you say bye-bye? My truck's all clean now?
My truck's not all clean.
I know, but Daddy wants to rinse out the thing instead of spraying the truck, and that's way less interesting for the video.
I'm trying to help you. Spray the car.
Yeah. You're not spraying the car, baby.